Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this week the Mint have released a number of new products, so I figured we would have a look at this one for starters, which is the Tooth Fairy kit, which is something new to the Royal Australian Mint, and something certainly new for 2020. And it's got a brand new $2 coin in there. This coin will not be going into circulation. It'll be reserved for this set, as well as a carded coin, which you can only get through dealers, from which is my understanding. You can get this one from the Royal Australian Mint, but the carded version, which is a little bit cheaper, which is $15 for the carded version, this is $25, this set that I'll be showing you today. So as you can see here, very neutral, suitable for a young boy or a young girl, and we'll have a closer look at the packaging. And there are a number of Australian animals featured, and also some flora. So a nice little house, or a doorway anyway, down there in the background there. So as I said, Tooth Fairy kit, 2020 $2 uncirculated coin, and quite nice packaging. And the contents of this pack is the Tooth Fairy coin and pouch, a tooth chart, a floating glitter pen, and a toothbrush. So quite a nice set, as I said, suitable for a boy or a girl, a young boy or girl. And on the back here it's just got a little bit about the $2 coin, and it is a unlimited mintage, which means that the Mint can produce as many as they like, and usually those mintages are determined by the number of sales they have for this product. So let's have a look at the packaging and see what we can see inside. Alright, so as I said, there are a number of Australian animals depicted on the front there. I'm sure you can spot them. Some of them are hidden quite well, but there may even be ones that I can't see. But yeah, very nicely done. And we'll open her up, and we can see here that it has a mirror inside. It also has some other writing in there from the Tooth Fairy. So quite a nice design, and certainly suitable for a young boy or girl. And there's a drawer down the bottom here. So I'm going to set myself up on the tripod, and we'll have a closer look at exactly what's going on inside there. Alright, so let's have a look inside the drawer here and see what we can find. So first of all, a nice glitter pen, which is certainly going to be appealing to young kids, and they'll need that pen because there is some things you need to be able to fill out in the tooth chart. So that's the pen there. We also have a toothbrush, which we can open up and have a quick little look at. And it's a bamboo toothbrush, so good for little teeth and soft gums. So quite a nice little toothbrush there. It does have a little tooth, oh, other way around, little tooth fairy right on the end of the handle there. So we also have a little tooth chart, which we can try and get out, and same sort of detail as the packaging there. And then we've got you can fill in some details, so mark each tooth as you lose them, write down the date next to each tooth you lose, so the upper and the lower teeth, and the child can put their name up there. And there's also a little chart here for brushing your teeth, so 2 minutes for 2 times a day. So nice little chart. And then we've also got this little pouch with the same Tooth Fairy on it, and that has the $2 coin in it. So I'm just going to put some gloves on and we'll have a closer look at that coin. Alright, I'm just putting on my second glove. It's a bit hard to operate the camera with only with a glove on. Just does not work. Alright, so got the gloves on, open up the pouch and have a closer look at the coin. There we have it. Okay, so we'll try and zoom in a bit. Actually, I have to take off one glove. Alright, got a glove off. Let's have a closer look at the detail on that. So as you can see there is a tooth fairy there. And quite a nice design, really. There's a lot of detail that's gone into this coin, and hopefully you can see there. I'm just trying to get enough light on it, and I'll just do a quick little flip in the hand, and you can see there we've got the brand new 2019 effigy, and obviously this is a 2020 coin, but the new JC effigy as depicted on the 2019 coins. So that's the $2 coin right there, and this is not to be put into circulation. This will be purely in these sets. So it's not a bad little set, guys. I think $25 is probably not too bad. A little gift. It's not necessarily about the coin, it's about giving something special to young children who are beginning to lose their teeth, and a little keepsake that they'll be able to keep. And you never know, it might be their first taste into coin collecting as well. So well worth giving to your grandchildren and your children, I reckon. And I'm sure that they will certainly love this Tooth Fairy kit. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the Tooth Fairy kit in the comments below. Certainly like to know what you think of it. And we'll certainly have a few more videos coming very soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.